BALEAF Women's High-Waisted Thermal Warm Yoga Pants with Pockets with Fleece Lining for the Winter Drawstring Closure 82% Polyester, 18% Spandex Warm Machine Wash. While the flexible fabric allows for unfettered mobility, the brushed fleece lining traps heat for dry warmth. You will be able to move comfortably and freely thanks to the inner leg seam being removed. Water resistant, no matter how lightly it rains or snows, the fabric keeps you dry. Any outdoor activity can be done easily during the winter. Additional pockets. The winter leggings have two side pockets that are useful for larger cell phones and keep them steady when running. An internal pocket and a back pocket provide further security for your cards or keys. Drawstring high waistband. High-waisted pants is a fashionable look that elongates the body and slims the waist. Additionally, the inside drawcord secures the leggings so you don't have to pull them up repeatedly. Occasion, ideal for yoga, walking, ice skating, skiing, camping, workouts, cycling, and other outdoor activities. Winter weather shouldn't prevent you from going on a trek or exercising outside. All you need is the right equipment to keep you from getting too chilly. Choose a lightweight, extremely warm item with a fleece inside rather than layering on the clothes and limiting movement. When the weather starts to cool off, more than 17,000 Amazon customers have opted for the BALEAF fleece-lined leggings to keep them warm. They come in sizes XS to 3XL in 7 different hues. Did we mention that they have roomy pockets as well? The fact that you may carry your basics without the need for an additional bag makes them ideal for riding and jogging. The high-rise waistband and snug fit of the pants can additionally function as shapewear under a dress or skirt. A reviewer claimed that wearing it felt like being wrapped in an ultra-soft blanket because the interior is lined with soft fleece and the exterior is constructed of elastic spandex. Better still, you can add 1 pairs to your cart since they are only $31 each during the deal. Online clothing shopping might be unsettling because you can't really tell how anything will fit until you put it on. You can select up to 6 products from Amazon's Try Before You Buy program to be shipped to you for trying on, and you only have to pay for the items you decide to keep. You have 7 days to decide, after which you can return any unwanted items for no further cost. In light of this, you may purchase clothing from a number of Amazon businesses, including these fleece-lined leggings, without having to worry. The leggings may not appear to be extremely warm when they initially arrive, but one customer said they were deceptively warm and quite comfy warm. Not at all constricted or constraining. Don't pass up the opportunity to purchase many pairs of these cozy, fleece-lined leggings while they are discounted and subject to 2-day shipping. The earlier you order, the earlier you'll be ready for the upcoming season. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.